Hey y'all, it's Johnny 330, and today is Saturday the 21st, and we're having a party here for my 16th birthday, which was a week or so ago. I don't know. And anyways, this is gonna be a pressure washing video. Be pressure washing the sidewalk here, from right here that way. My mom wants it done, make it look pretty. And we were gonna pressure wash the house, but we don't have time because everybody's supposed to be here around 4:30, and let me see the time. The time is 8:35. Anyways, so let me get the pressure washer, and I'll put the camera back over there and start filming. I won't film everything though, so don't want to bore y'all to death. So keep on watching. All right, y'all. Let's fire this thing up. This is a cold start. I'll prove it to you real fast. Alright, there you go. Now, hopefully this thing will fire up on the first, second pull or something. I don't know. I haven't started since the last pressure washing video, which is this summer. Anyways, let's start. One. Okay. What?
What did Pop say?
He's in the shop.
Oh.
Alright, got it running now. Good. Let's move over to the concrete and start pressure washing. Alright, I don't know how good y'all can see it, but there you go, you can see it now. Looks pretty good. Let's go a little farther up here. Alright, y'all, I've done quite a bit since my last little video. Anyways, I got that much more to go, a lot. And as you can see the difference there, it makes a big difference. It's working really well. So I'll film a little more, and I'll cut it off to film some more, and that'll be done. Alright. $3.30. Get her done. Alright, y'all, I've done all this. Now I'm way down here, so I've got quite a bit done here. So fix the tripod here, and I'll do a little more pressure washing for you. Alright, y'all, I've passed a little break there, and now I'm down here to this bigger area. All I have left is this right here, this wide, tiny area. So, do that real fast. I'll just film a little bit of it, not much. I don't want to bore y'all to death. And I don't know if I should do the steps or not. I probably will. Anyways, let's watch some more. Well, y'all, done pressure washing now. There's some people cleaning up over there. Daggum leaf on here already. How's that look? Pretty good, right? Alright. Better than what it was. Got my muddy feet already on it. Oh well. You can really see a difference here. They're both wet. That's clean, that's dirty. Yep. Gotta fix this straw here. Oh, I think I hear the cub. My dad's already back with the pig. And I'll make some more videos. There's gonna be a big montage of pictures, videos. I got my grandfather out there with the cub, pulling the pig hooker over. So, thanks for watching. Y'all rate, comment, subscribe. And I'll keep y'all watch other videos that I'm gonna make today about the pig picking, and I'll do a video of everybody here and everything. So thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Alright, bye. Well, this is an extension off the last video. Let's see. I'm gonna tell you how long it took. Let's see. It is 9:58 right now. So 8:30 something other, and to 9:50. An hour and a half to do just that, and with no breaks too. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.